Hello, Nissan Qashqai J11. The interior courtesy light is not working. So if you get into a fuse box, right, and it's a 10 amp next door to the 20, so 1, 2. The second one along got two 10 amps together. It's the one on the left. And if you go and get your fuse remover, pop it out, change it for one that works, and then push this in, and it's starting to click now. Something's working now. It's working. There you go. So it's the second one along. On this side, on the right hand side. Second, next door to the 20. Thank you.